girls are hungry.
Ready?
Yeah, oh my god, you got some good stuff.
Alright.
They're like so aggressive.
Because that might not be good.
Oh my god, these are huge. I think they might be done after this.
Yeah, maybe.
This is like quite excessive. Look at her, she looks angry. This is riveting chicken content. Oh my god. They're eating their greens, and you know what? People can eat dandelions, so obviously this is like salad to them. They're having a great time, I'm sure. Oliver, is it time to go inside? Did we have a nice day? I think we had a nice day. We've been out here for a few hours together. He's saying hello to his friends. And he chased a rabbit, but he didn't catch it. So I think he's had an overall good time out here. These girls are still looking for more salad, if you will. Hey? Come on, boy, it's time to go inside. Day's done, gone the sun. One thing I love about Oliver is that he is very gentle with the ladies. He doesn't even really seem to care, to be honest. He's actually more interested in that squirrel that's yipping in the tree. But I just think it's so sweet. He's like a little boy at the zoo. Like, he'll kind of look, but he's very respectful. Like, look, if anything, they're more into him. All right, say goodbye. Time to go in. He's just moving on. Yeah, it's almost their bedtime too. They're just munching and crunching. Oh my god. What happened to their tree? Did they destroy it today? They must have destroyed that hanging tree because it is not up there anymore. Huh. What? You want to join in? Am I giving too much attention to the others? Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Get it. Oliver's brave. Yeah, I don't think he liked that particularly. But he doesn't seem to mind.
Oh shit.
Woo! Nice! Oh my god, you just like split that right in half.
Thank you.
Woo! Well, a bit more fresh wood added to the pile. And lots more to go. Mr. Hunter Killer. What are you guys doing? They got another treat today and they are enjoying it. Hey? Yeah, even Stella gets to come out and say hi to her friends. I don't even think they give a crap about these guys. Like, Oliver at this point ignores them. Even Stella has hardly ever seen them and she's like, meh. She's just here for the grass. Look at this girl, she's getting feisty. Hey, you eating some grass too? Yeah, you like it here? Are we having fun? She's enjoying the outdoors. Turns out she feels safe in the gazebo, so maybe we'll do this more often, huh? Oh, girl. Yeah. What was that? That was a bird. Hi, sweet girl. Aw. She's having a good time.